As Denmark gears up for the historic abdication of Queen Margrethe, an unexpected twist unfolds within the royal family. Join us at CelebXplore Hub as we delve into the royal saga, exploring why Prince Joachim will attend his mother's abdication solo after a tumultuous year that saw his children stripped of their royal titles. Prince Joachim, Queen Margrethe's younger son, will reportedly attend his mother's abdication events without his wife and children. The decision comes after a significant move to the United States last year, raising questions about the family dynamics and the impact of the title-stripping episode on their relationships. Last January, Queen Margrethe made headlines by stripping Prince Joachim's 4 children of their royal titles, a move she described as necessary future-proofing of the monarchy. Explore the aftermath of this decision, the reactions from Prince Joachim, Princess Marie, and Alexandra, and the emotional toll it took on the family dynamics. Delve into Queen Margrethe's reasoning behind the title switch, as she maintained it was in the best interests of her grandchildren. Uncover the timeline leading to the announcement and the subsequent public apology, where she admitted underestimating the impact on the family dynamic. Compare this decision to similar adjustments in other royal houses, including King Carl XVI Gustav of Sweden's move in 2019. As Denmark anticipates Queen Margrethe's abdication, discover the upcoming changes in titles and roles within the royal family. Learn why Prince Christian, the eldest son of Crown Prince Frederik, will become the Crown Prince, paving the way for Frederik and Queen Mary to ascend the throne. Explore the unique proclamation ceremony at Christiansborg Palace and the tradition of announcing the new monarch from the palace balcony. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into the intricate world of the Danish royal family. What are your thoughts on Prince Joachim attending his mother's abdication solo? Share your comments below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to CelebXplore Hub for more exclusive insights into the fascinating lives of the rich and royal.